Hi Aquarius, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot. And this reading is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs one last time in the year 2021. Let's get started, Aquarius. This is a sneak peek into the year 2022. It's a general reading, may or may not resonate with all of you. Also, this is not a gender specific reading or a time specific reading. So whenever you find it, it's for you. Your reading, your card, Aquarius. This is going to be the year of wish fulfillment. Each and every wish that you've had, you're going to be fulfilling it. You're going to be happy. You're going to be on cloud 9. Number 17. 7 and 1 are important. 1 is January itself, and happy birthday. Okay, then you got the 4 of Swords. Don't forget to rest. Don't forget to rejuvenate. Don't forget to take that time out after you've dealt with battle. I feel that someone likes wearing diamonds a lot or is wearing a diamond ring. Okay, you've got the World card in reverse, which suggests that you could feel a little stagnation in the middle of this year, but don't worry. Keep walking, okay? Just keep walking because time is funny. It's fluid also. It moves, it stops, it moves, and then again it stops. So you just have to maneuver your way through time. And you've got the 8 of Cups. Walk away from things that are burdening you, not wanting to, people who don't want to change and people who hurt you, people who make you feel worthless, make you feel as if you're not good enough. It's not that, Aquarius, okay? You're special. Always know that. Walk away from things, okay? Just don't let anything bog you down. Number 10 could be important. Okay. You've got the Queen of Swords, again, your energies. A Gemini person could be important for some of you. When it comes to work, studies, ambitions, you're going to be at it like a horse with blinkers, and you're going to achieve success, Aquarius. Don't worry. You've got the 2 of Swords, exactly. Now this has come under this 4 of Swords where I told you rest and rejuvenation is important. 2 of Swords here suggests there is imbalance. So either you've been working too much or you've been partying too much. But in your case, I think you've been working too much and you need to rest, okay? Please rest. Please take that time off. Also, number 2 is important for some of you. Two of Pentacles again. I'm telling you, there is a great possibility that there could be some imbalance in your life, okay? Don't fret, don't get scared about it. It's not anything very serious. It's just that sometimes we overdo things and we realize that the other aspects of our life are suffering because either we are working too much or partying too much or becoming people pleasers too much, and then we forget ourselves. So don't let that happen. The card at the bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. Some of you could be going for some foreign education, further education, doing your master's, PhD, PGDM programs. Whatever, you're going to have a lot of success, Aquarius. Go for it. Just go for it. Now, yep. You've got the Judgment, number 20. 2 is important. You could be getting some phone call, a message, a letter, an email stating that somebody's sorry or they messed up and you deserve to be loved and cared for. And basically, what I'm trying to say here is you're going to get some closure. The final call will be made, and it's going to set you free, Aquarius. If you need to apologize to somebody, do that. You've got the Death card. Major rejuvenation energies. Changes are coming your way, and something has to end for something to begin. And this ending won't be painful. This beginning is going to be better than what ended. You've got the Two of Wands. A lot of two energies, choices, imbalances, too much waiting. Guys, instead of seeing what you've lost, see what you've gained, okay? Always pay attention to the things that stayed, the things that helped you grow, the things that did good to you. You've got the World card here again, and this time it's in the upright. In the first deck, it came reverse. What goes up has to come down, and what goes down has to come back up again. Time's fluid, guys, as I mentioned. Don't worry about anything. If you've been feeling down and out, you're going to be feeling very happy very soon. Some of you could be traveling a lot this year. Okay. You've got the Queen of Swords again. Ambition, courage, soulmate relationships coming your way. There could be same-sex relationships as well. Five of Swords, be careful, guys. Be careful in trusting people way too easily because not everyone has your best interests at heart. Okay. Wow, you've got like 10 cards. You've got the High Priestess again. I'm telling you, something is pushing you to do things in a way that are going to help you. You need to see good, you need to feel kinder, you need to be kinder to yourself. Okay, some of you could be psychic mediums, you could be into tarot or oracle readings or fortune telling, something like that, guys. You've got the Page of Pentacles at the bottom of this deck. Money is coming your way, but most importantly, some conversation is coming your way. This conversation could be from someone who is younger than you and wants to apologize for something they did. Okay, guys. Aquarius, if you like my reading, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm not done yet. I'm just arranging these cards over here. I'm going to be drawing out oracle messages just that you can see this. These oracle messages are going to be in the form of yes and no, a timeline related answer, or a general guidance. Okay, this is additional to your tarot. Take it however it resonates with you guys. Get more information about anything that you're going to be doing, and abundance coming your way. Wow, the situation is going to improve. As always, I told you, what goes down has to come back up again. Oh gosh, I feel like sneezing. Wow, you're not alone. You're surrounded by your ancestors. They are here to bless you, protect you, love you, and just have faith that someone's watching over you guys, okay? Major awakening could be happening this year for you. Spiritual awakening, emotional awakening. You've got the Great Severing. You need to soften to love. You need to control your anger. And you need to have faith that no matter how anxious you are, you're not going to change the outcome. So just be okay, all right? Just be all right. Divert your mind if you have to. If you're feeling way too anxious, divert your mind. A diverted mind is a happy mind, Aquarius. The energy is gaining momentum for your manifestations, guys. Take time to breathe out. Yes, please. Balance spirituality and practicality. A Pisces person could be important. Be bold and make the first move, and nothing will come of this situation. An end of a tough cycle approaches. Capricorn could be important for some of you guys. And now let's see an affirmation. Wow. Believing in spiritual guidance gives me certainty and the freedom to keep dreaming, even when I can't yet see the result. Yes, spiritual growth, spiritual awakening is on the cards for you. Also, guys, this was all for you. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. Have a very happy new year. Take care. Bye.